Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to run Terraform by using a remote state file and a service principal name. Let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. And just to let you know, remember we ran the Terraform in a Terraform plan, Terraform apply, and I didn't show you Terraform destroy. So before proceeding on to this example, I just would like to take few seconds of your time to show you how you run the Terraform destroy. So if I just write in Terraform destroy here and I click on enter, it will pick up all the values, pick up all the information from the main.tf file and the output file that for the resources that it has created. Only yes will be accepted to confirm. Okay, so it says I'm going to destroy it, destroy this and that, right? It will destroy all the resources that it created. I'm going to click on say I want to type in yes here, enter, destroying. This is how you know use the Terraform destroy commandlet. I apologize for not using it in one of the previous videos wherein we deployed the infrastructure using Terraform. So the whatever. So let's proceed. So let it do its thing. I'm gonna go click on home here. So in this video, we will run a second Terraform plan that provisions Azure App Service. The Terraform plan would that we will run here would more closely resemble uh, the plan that we ran few videos ago. So let it complete. I have to do the same thing in the Azure Cloud Shell. So let this complete. I'm going to pause and come back. All right. Destroyed, everything went well. I am inside MS Learn Terraform local state. Okay, I'm going to come out of this. Okay, I'm going to make another directory here. So if I do this, I'm outside. I'm going to make another directory which would be MS Learn Terraform remote state. I'm going to move to that directory, remote state. I'm inside that directory. I'm going to download the Terraform plan. So I'm going to download the Terraform plan using the curl command from the Terraform plan from the GitHub. Let me just. So what this will do is I will run the curl command with the GitHub URL, and then it will pull that to the main.tf file here. Okay, I'm going to do it. It is done. So if you would see main.tf, if you would see the contents of this file, I'm going to do it again. I may face the issue again of the version, but let's see how it goes. So there are variables, the app service instance in the dev environment. The app service instance includes a site config, app service, integer, resource group, Linux, app service command line, name, hosting, and it is web service hostname dev. It provides two output values. Output one is the app service name, the app service name of the dev environment, and the host name of the website in the dev environment. Now I will create the variable file. I'm gonna close this editor. And the Terraform plan that we use here requires the same variable file terraform.tf that you used earlier. The easiest way would be to copy it. So if I'll do cp from local state to the current working directory, mslearn terraform local state, inside I had this terraform.tf bash file, right? I'm going to copy it to my local. So the dot means the current working directory. So what I'm writing is copy this file, terraform.tf wash file from this local state directory to my current working directory. Right? I'm going to hit enter. So the file is copied. And now if you would print the value, you would see it contains my resource group location as central US, which I defined in my previous video, one of the previous videos, right? So to make our resource names unique, the name of both of the storage account and the service principal need to be unique because it resembles the GUID. So we'll generate a random number that will include in each name from the Azure Cloud Shell. I'm gonna type in this unique underscore ID equal to dollars random. And now if I'll do echo unique ID 5061. So I've defined one variable unique ID equal to underscore random, and what it would do every time I'll type in echo unique ID, it's going to give me the random value. So now I will create a blob storage account. I will create a resource group to hold the storage account. I will create a storage account. I will enable the blob container. Okay. I'm gonna do it easy group create location. I typed in central US. My location is central US if I remember. Here it is. All right. And the name is TF storage RG. All right. Done. So it has created TF storage RG resource group in the central US location. Now I will run the AZ storage account create command to create the storage account. So it would be, I'm going to use my random unique ID here. I'm sorry for misspelling. And my resource group, the one that I created above, TS storage RG, and the SKU tier that I'm using is standard LRS. All right, it is running. So after that, I will use the AZ storage account list to print the name of the storage account that we just created. It depends upon you how you want to do it or not. After the storage account is done, I'm going to use the AZ storage container create command to create a storage. Right, I'm going to do AZ storage account. Oh, I'm going to specify the resource group as well. Let's see. It will list the storage account name. I'm going to create the AZ storage container command. AZ storage container create. I'm going to create the container in my storage account. TFS. Or I can use this, the one that has been created, TFSA 5061. Storage is TFSA 5061 and the name is TF state. Oh, I misspelled. All right. So the connection string was not there. Okay, so now I will add the backend configuration to the plan. Terraform required version packet is Azure, so I'm going to open the main.tf file. And if you would see, backend Azure VM is here. To, to do it, to specify the blob account in this backend block, you can modify the plan. Backend Azure. Let me just copy and paste the code, make the changes after it, then I come back. All right, I made these changes. I added the resource group name, the storage account name. I am gonna save this file. I replaced it to make the configuration easier to use. Here you will write a file name backend.tf that will contain this information. To create the backend.tf while I will do this. So what it will do is, so to make the configuration easier to use, I will write a file named backend.tf that contains this information. When we initialize Terraform, we provide this file as an argument. Terraform can then initialize its state to a remote state file. So I can do this. I can close the editor. I can come here. So I have echoed the resource group name here with this command to store it in the backend.tf file. And after that, I will run this command to fetch the name of the storage account from Azure and append the name to the backend.tf file. Right. So this has done this. And now I will append the container name tfstate to backend.tf file. I'll do this. I have the container name as well. And now I will append the state file name terraform.tfstate to backend.tf. This one. So this file terraform.tfstate file does not yet exist in the storage account. Terraform creates this file the first time it executes the plan. So if I'll do cat backend.tf I have these values: resource group name, storage account name, container name, and the key name. So now I will run the Terraform to use the remote state file. So rather than only doing Terraform in it, I'm going to specify which remote state configuration you will use to run this backend.tf fast. So this command will include the backend config argument to specify the backend.tf file. Oh, I'm sorry. I misspelled Terraform. Initializing the front end. Error, failed to get existing workspaces. Error, driving keys for storage account. Oh my God. Okay, no problem. So if you will see Terraform plan here, it is regarding the version thing that was coming up, but you got the idea. So if I do Terraform apply auto approve, this is how you do the auto approve part. And if you would see Terraform output, it would give you an error because remember the provider thing was not fixed here, and I'd have the state not defined because nothing has been done because of the provider state thing. So this is how you do use the remote state file and the service principal name to use it with this. And after that, you're going to delete storage account that you created so that you don't get charged for it. I hope this was informative for all of you guys. If you have any queries, please mention them in the comment section. Please stay tuned for the next video. Till next time, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.